The sexual assault case of 5 players from Canada's 2018 World Junior Hockey Team is set to go before a London, Ontario court on Monday. CTV's Renee Rogers joins us now live with more on this story. Good morning, Renee. Thank you so much for joining us. The sexual assault case of 5 players from the 2018 World Junior Hockey Team are facing these charges. What can you tell us at this time?
Yes, good morning, G. Well, CTV News has obtained court documents confirming sexual assault charges against 5 members of the 2018 Canada World Junior Hockey Team. Alex Formenton, Dylan Dubé, Cal Foote, Carter Hart, and Michael McLeod have each been charged in relation to an alleged sexual assault in London, Ontario in June of 2018 following a Hockey Canada gala. Now, McLeod also faces an additional charge of being a party to the offense. None of these charges or allegations have been tested in court, and lawyers for all 5 players say they will be pleading not guilty. Now, as you say, they are all expected to appear in court Monday morning, the same day that London Police Service will hold a press conference to update developments in its investigation. All of these players, except for Formenton, are currently signed with NHL teams. We haven't heard anything yet from the NHL or Hockey Canada for that matter. That being said, with the All-Star Weekend underway this weekend in Toronto, NHL Commissioner Gary Bettman is expected to speak this afternoon, and all eyes will be on him to see whether or not he will address this issue.
Yeah, but you bring up a very good point, Renee. There's a buzz here in the city in Toronto with the NHL All-Star Weekend. How much of a cloud is this putting over the weekend events?
Well, players are already being questioned about all of this. In fact, TSN is reporting that a couple of the members of the actual team were questioned. Cale Makar, who was on the roster that year but not in attendance at the gala, said he's been instructed not to comment. They also asked St. Louis Blues center Robert Thomas, who was on that team. He also declined to comment. And then Flyers winger Travis Konecny also declining to answer questions about his teammate, who is Carter Hart, one of the 5 facing these charges. So we are expecting to hear from Bettman at 1:30 this afternoon. And of course, we'll be following the latest developments and bringing them to you after that occurs.
All right. CTV's Renee Rogers, we thank you so much for joining us and giving us that update.
You're welcome.